Welcome. You might not be able to hear me as well because I have some music playing in the background. None of you, me have no comments. Me don't think comments are working anymore on my YouTube. And I can't see them, so I'm going to stay here. No, you don't like those holes. Well, last time, if you watched the 40-minute video, would have loved that one because that one was really long. So if you like it, I want you to like it and subscribe. I just woke up, so means lol, me want to die right now. Dang it, broke. I have more iron. So I need to make another iron block. If you don't know what I'm trying to make, I'm trying to make an anvil. I hate going up these. I'm not making stairs because that's gonna take a long time to place all them. Sorry for being quiet. Sometimes they do go quiet. I want this. You know how to make this. I'm gonna make it soon so I can make a. This I don't want. Not that. I don't want this. I want this. Craft. Smaft. I'm gonna be able to make this episode. I'm gonna be able to make this anvil. I'm gonna be happy this episode because once I make the anvil, I'll be able to fix some stuff. Perfect amount of everything. I need like one more iron, but that handles that. I'm gonna make it right now just for y'all. Actually, I'm gonna actually go hunting. Because I just want to sleep. So it's probably gonna be morning or what it is. Hello, buddy. Die, buddy. Guy, buddy. Die. Thank you, buddy. Hello, buddy. Die, buddy. Get smacked, buddy. 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 Where are you, buddy? Are you in here, buddy? What are you? I don't know what this is. This is my old mine. Don't need it. Gotta find you. Gonna rip your head off. Gonna eat it. Gonna put you in a fireplace and have you stay there for an hour or so. And let you get burnt to death.